In this video, we are discussing the asynchronous version of the induced EMF lab. This lab consists of two components. In the first, there is a coil and a magnet that is being monitored by Logger Pro. So as the magnet can enter and exit the coil through side A of the coil or side B of the coil, the north side of the magnet or the south side of the magnet, Logger Pro will be watching the EMFs that are being induced in that coil. By the nature of measuring devices, it is much easier to measure small changes in voltage as opposed to small changes in current, which is why, even though we are studying the EMF, the numbers that we will be looking at are voltages, because it is going to be the EMF through a known resistance which produced this voltage. For the sake of what we are going to be talking about, know that that voltage is always going to be directly proportional to that EMF. In the second part of the lab, we've kind of automated this process by introducing a function generator, which is going to be putting a signal through a large coil and then graphing that signal on the oscilloscope. We then also have a small coil placed next to the larger one, which is being also watched by the oscilloscope. So, whatever signals are being produced by the function generator are traveling through the large coil, which will then be producing a magnetic field, which will then be inducing changes in the small coil, which will then be watched through the oscilloscope. So we are changing channel 1 and observing what is being induced into channel 2. Thank you for watching this video. Here's a fun fact. The verb to orient comes from the Roman practice of putting the east side of the map at the top. So your map would always aim at the Orient, an archaic term for any lands east of Europe.